good, you guys? I'm back with another video. You already know what it is. So I'm out here in Alviso getting some shots of the car. I want to do a channel update. I plan to be a lot more consistent with uploads. Gonna be putting out a lot of different content though, from car stuff to mountain biking, some drone stuff, just everyday vlog stuff. So let's get it. As always, guys, let me know what you think. Leave a comment, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, help your boy out. Let's get this channel to 1,000 subscribers. Can we do that? Let's get it. So I pulled up to the spot right now. I'm gonna get some pictures on these train tracks real quick before a train comes, you feel me? But we're out here at the end of the bay.